What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Extreme RC13. Today we're just going to be bashing my Traxxas maxx. So I'm going to put my phone down, have the body cam set up on the chest strap, and we're going to drive it. So let me adjust the camera. Still getting used to using this GoPro, so. This is a base stock Traxxas maxx. I just ordered the conversion kit to switch the body mount, so we're going to be doing something on this very soon. Put new tires on it. I didn't pay full price for this thing. Oh, we got stuck in the neighbor's tree. This is a 3S. It can run on 4S, but I don't have a 4S pack, so I didn't get one yet. I've only run this on 3S. Oh, my battery's dead, so that concludes my video of 2 minutes. I was hoping it was charged. I charged it, but I guess it's dead. Anyways, we'll get back into this video soon. We'll do another one. This is just a test video. So, hope you liked my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.